If you think you have pimples, they are red, painful, filled with pus, very uncomfortable to live with, and they're just not going away or keep coming back, you may have active acne, and this video could save you from permanent scars. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Hi, I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja and welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज हम बात करेंगे all things active acne, pimples, कील, मुहासे. So what is acne? What you see as a mere pimple, as a dermatologist, I see that as inflammation. अब ये inflammation होता क्यों है? Whenever there is excessive sebaceous secretion or oil production in your skin, it blocks your pores, it clogs your pores, and dead skin starts to accumulate on top of that. Now, on top of it, इस पे एक bacterial contamination का तड़का लगा दो, and that's a recipe for disaster. Now, having said that, I will not confuse you with the technicalities of grades of acne, but it starts as blackheads, whiteheads, translates into red bumps which often get filled with pus, or agar ye untreated ho, so these can become cystic acne. They look and feel like something raised onto your skin, but if you touch, there are these little balls that you feel inside of the skin that do not really get a mouth on the top. So having said that, acne can range from a mere blackhead and whitehead to a cystic acne, and this entire range is where we all lie, and in the center of it lies an active acne, ek chota sa red dot with a pus-filled top. So let me clarify this for once and for all. Acne is not dirt or poor hygiene. It's a mere biological inflammatory process. अब acne होता क्यों है? This basic inflammation could just be as simple as a bacterial infection. It could be a fungal infection. It could be because of hormonal fluctuations happening in our body, stress की वजह से, genetics की वजह से, wrong skincare use करने की वजह से, overusing your face washes, scrubbing your face too often, sharing your towels with others, sometimes something as basic as dandruff. And while this inflammation is peaking, your acne becomes red, cystic, painful. Sometimes it has a discharge filled with pus, and obviously it becomes unsightly, if I may say so. So a couple of common mistakes that we all make while we have active acne. सबसे पहली और सबसे गलत बात, अपने acne को pop करना, squeeze करना, trying to take the blackhead out of it, grime out of it, वरना पस आ जाए तो उस पस को फोड़ देना. That is the only reason you're getting scars, let me tell you. Now having said that, on top of your acne, अगर आप toothpaste लगा रहे हो, lemon लगा रहे हो, garlic लगा रहे हो, न जाने क्या क्या लगा रहे हो, please नहीं लगाना है. Changing your products too often also leads to worsening your acne. You have to give the products time to work, and switching too often is not going to help. बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श स्क्रब्स को फेस पे यूज़ करना, फेस को रगड़ के धोना, पिलो कवर चेंज नहीं करना, और एक्टिव एक्ने के ऊपर रेजर चला देना, उनको शेव कर देना, दैट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट कैन वर्सन योर एक्ने एंड लीड टू परमानेंट स्कार्स. अब पेशेंट्स आके पूछते हैं, डॉक्टर आई एम एन एडल्ट नाउ, मुझे अब एक्ने क्यों आ रहा है? While having said that, please understand acne is not just a teenage problem. There are a lot of things that we do as adults that invite acne. सबसे पहली चीज़ तो hormonal fluctuation, हमारे high cortisol spikes because of our crazy stress levels. अब access to a lot of makeup that we have, we travel more, we buy more products, we want to try everything onto our skin. बहुत सारा स्किन केयर जिसके साथ हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, एंड देन अप्लाइंग मेकअप ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट मेक्स द एक्ने वर्स. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इट्स ऑल्सो व्हाट टू डू विद आवर डाइट्स. वी फॉलो फैट डाइट्स, वी हैव डेली रिच प्रोडक्ट्स, वी हैव हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स वाला खाना, दैट कैन ऑल्सो मेक योर एक्ने वर्स. एंड अगर एक जेनेटिक टेंडेंसी है टू हैव एक्ने, एक्ने कैन फॉलो यू इन अडल्टहुड ऑल्सो. On that note, adult acne is usually seen on the jawline. It is more painful, it is more prone to leave scars, and it definitely takes longer to heal also, and probably in this case you most definitely need to go see a dermatologist. अब ये तो बात हो गई एक्ने होता क्यों है. अब हो गया तो इसे ट्रीट कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले तो हम इन्फ्लेमेशन को काम डाउन करेंगे, फिर हमारे एक्सेसिव ऑयल को कंट्रोल करेंगे, हम अपने पोर्स को अनब्लॉक करेंगे. तो घर पे हम ये सब चीज़ें कैसे करने वाले हैं? एक जेंटल AHA BHA बेस्ड क्लेंजर जो नॉन कमेडोजेनिक हो, एंड दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू रब माई स्किन ऑफ इट्स एसेंशियल ऑयल्स. टारगेटेड एंटी एक्ने एक्टिव्स लगाएंगे हम, एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी पील्स करेंगे. यू कैन कम टू द क्लिनिक एंड हैव दोज डन. प्लीज डू नॉट अटेम्प्ट दीज एट home. And on top of it, you have to make sure that you moisturize even if you have an oily skin. There is an oily skin के लिए मेड मॉइस्चराइजर। और याद रखना है व्हेन द स्किन इज इन्फ्लेम्ड इट इज मोर प्रोन टू डैमेज बाय द सन, सो अपना सनस्क्रीन नहीं भूलना है, दिन में 3 बार लगाना है और धूप में जाने से 20 मिनट्स पहले लगाना है। अब एक तो घर का नुस्खा बनता है, बिकॉज योर इम्यूनिटी इज वेरी लो, वी आर ट्राइंग टू बूस्ट दैट, सो विटामिन सी इनरिच्ड फ्रूट्स खाने हैं हमें, एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एन ऑरेंज टू अ स्वीट लाइम टू कीवीज, just make sure that you eat the fruit and not have the juice. Now you'll all ask me, डॉक्टर मॉइस्चराइजर लगाना ज़रूरी है, पहले इतना तेल निकलता है मेरे स्किन पे। Now please understand the moisturizer that we are applying here is for barrier repair. अगर barrier repair हो जाएगा, irritation कम होगी, we'll be able to give you actives that will heal your acne faster. At times we also tell you to mix your actives with the moisturizer to give you quicker and better results. इसी बात पे I'll give you 2 moisturizers that you can use if you have acne prone skin. Don't quote me, but try them. So now when to reach a dermatologist? हमने घर के सब नुस्खे कर लिए, हमने over the counter creams भी लगा ली, but painful acne नहीं जा रहा, and when the acne is not just coming to you during your periods but is staying with you all month long, and family में भी किसी को acne per se नहीं है, I'm just that one odd sheep और मुझे बहुत सारा acne आ रहा है, I will come see your doctor, and doctor क्या अलग करेंगे? We first will analyze your skin and understand what is the cause that you're getting your acne, and then we'll get to the bottom of that cause. We will treat it with chemical peels, we have lasers to treat it, we've got IPLs, intense pulse light से treat किया जा सकता है acne को, and there are varied amount of treatments that are available that can help you treat the acne and prevent you scars. Now always remember, if you start your treatment early, you prevent scars from happening, but if you delay the treatment, you're actually doing damage control. So it's always better to start early. अगर एक्टिव एक्ने आ रहा है, इक्का दुक्का एक्ने here and there, so you can apply a clindamycin based ointment or a cream or a mupirocin cream or an ointment directly on your acne. अगर ऐसा लगता है कि crop of acne आ रही है, सबसे पहले इंश्योर करो बाल में डैंड्रफ तो नहीं है, डैंड्रफ है तो उसको एक एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू से ट्रीट करो, एंड इफ यू फील सब करने के बावजूद भी कुछ आराम नहीं मिल रहा है, then please go see your doctor. Now moving on to our favorite segment, that is myth busting. All these questions that you ask me all the time, जिनका आंसर सिंपल तो है बट काफ़ी लोगों के लिए बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग। बहुत लोग सोचते हैं एक्ने occurs due to dirty skin and it is infectious, ये एक इंसान से दूसरे इंसान को हो सकता है। Now acne can spread within my own body, but I practically can't give you my acne, right? And it is not dirty skin, it is more often than not ignored, untreated skin. So मैं बहुत सारे products लगाऊंगा तो मेरा acne बहुत जल्दी चला जाएगा. The answer is an absolute no. Less is more. Use fewer actives but the right ones and give them time to act. Now another common thing that we are asked all the time is sleeping with makeup will worsen your acne. While the answer is yes, you have to make sure that you never sleep with your makeup on. कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो तो एक अच्छे क्लेंजर से अपना फेस वॉश करके सो जाओ. So yes, you do not sleep with your makeup on because it will not only worsen your acne, this will also accelerate premature aging. And the next one is very relevant where it says, despite having a good skincare routine, I am still not getting rid of acne. My skincare has failed me. While your skin evolves, so does your skincare needs. So you have to make sure that your skincare changes depending upon the state your skin is in. It's not your skincare not working for you. It's probably just not the right actives that you're using. So that's what you need help with. Do not give up. Listen to your skin, help it heal. So listen to your skin, help it heal, understand it. Eat well, sleep well, change your pillow covers regularly, have a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables every day, hydrate properly, 3 liters of water every day, do not pop your pimples and do not step out without a sunscreen. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो please make sure that you resort to a good cleanser. I have attached the names below. Please make sure that you're using them twice daily and you're not sleeping with your makeup on. अभी भी कुछ doubt रह गए होंगे तो please drop them in the comments below and we'll make sure to answer them in the upcoming videos. Like, share, subscribe, do not forget, and we're going to come back with more such stuff.